Hello, 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 everyone. So how many are we in now? YouTube. Yes, hello, Ray from TikTok. Hello, hello. Welcome for those who just joined in. So let's see. Let's see some people in here. Right away we have a question kaagad, ano? Ah, sige. So, Kenneth is like, pag-plot ng Fib, week to week po ba? Yes. Pag nag-start ka ng week, okay, when you do your Fibonacci, you should also end it sa week. Pag nag-start ka ng body, end it also sa sa may body. Okay, so, yaka muna, there you go. Hello, welcome, welcome. Yes, Justine, and good evening. And so, watching your fave video, Kenneth, is that, right, because you have access to premium na. So, by the way, guys, Kenneth is one of our giveaway winner last time. A few days ago, Kenneth, right? So, yeah. And, in YouTube right now, for those who are on TikTok, we are also doing or giving a giveaway once we hit our goal. Okay. So, hello, hello, Mark. Hello. And so, let's see. More time. What's up? Hello. Jeffrey Manalang. Po, he, she that finds in TikTok. Hello again, welcome. Ollie, future po yan. Yes, I'm doing futures trading. Okay. So, if you have any requested chart, by the way, I do accept. Okay. At least maximum 3 points to watch. If you have any requested chart. Okay. So, how's everyone doing, by the way? Kamusta? Huh? Did you guys manage to trade? Gold, Mac called the grade. I do not trade gold anymore. Thing. Yeah. Near USDT. Yesterday we did near he, she. Yes, we did. All right. Coach G, what's your strat, ma'am? My strat again, guys. It's price action combined na siya. I have made my own strategy. I don't have any specific strategy in a sense that you can say like, oh, that's SMC, that's ICT. Those are the famous, diba? Those are the famous na strategy. What time po ba kayo usually nagtitrade? Lynch is asking in YouTube. So Lynch, I actually do not have that certain like, oh, this time I should, trading like that. Whenever whenever the setup shows up. Okay. Madam Mayari, may chance ba na tataas yung BNB sa resistance niya sa 255? Che Young and TikTok is asking if there are any chance that BNB is gonna go up? Okay, that's a good question, Young. So let's open our ano dito. Let's open our trading view and let's add that on our chart request. So later, Che Young, okay? Wait for the BNB. We'll chart that. Sige? Ano pala tawag sa Binance, Mex, yun? Those are exchanges. Okay, those are exchanges. Okay, Darren. A crypto MD's trade yesterday, easy money. Did you guys trade with crypto MD or did you had any trade last night with or yesterday with crypto MD? By the way, for those who are in TikTok or or new to YouTube, and you're wondering, oh, what is crypto MD? Who is crypto MD? So crypto MD, guys, is one of he's running his own na ano na Discord, yeah, and he's giving some trades also. So if you have any question, regarding crypto MD, he have his own Instagram. I guess it's medico underscore crypto. Is that right? So let me just like type that in the comments and you medico underscore crypto. By the way, this is Instagram. So I don't know what details he have on his Discord, but yeah, just check him out. Okay? This guys. Okay, medicore underscore all right, so let's have a start, guys, before the US market opens. Let me check what time is it now. USA. Hmm. By the way, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see this full screen, like full screen talaga, um, yeah, it is available in YouTube. Okay, there. Okay, just type in YouTube. All right, Mayari Capital, New York, US, right now. Hydra Trading. Good evening, Coach. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so currently in Manila time, what time is it? It's around should be around 7:12 p.m. 7:12 p.m. So market in US is gonna open around 9:30 p.m. Philippine time. So we have some time to do some trade setups kumbaga. Yeah, so yesterday not that much trade setup, more of more of managing na lang of the trade setups that we have done nung last July 26 na live. Yeah. But for this time, okay, let's have a scan so we can see if we have any possible trade to do. Hydro trading, how's your day po? My day is really nice. It's hello, 123 in TikTok is saying, hello, Dico, kita yung target mo po. 28,500 po ba yan? Again, 123, this is again available in YouTube. I am in YouTube. Okay, there you go. Can you see? So just like look for Mayari Capital, okay, in YouTube. If you want to see the full talaga screen. Okay. So by the way, guys, for those who are in TikTok, I guess you can see the reflection, right? I don't know. Can you read that on my shirt? Um, yeah. Okay. Anyone can read that? Can you guys see that? In TikTok, you guys cannot see that. Sana lang sa TikTok. Yeah. I want your shirt. Sige. Bigyan kita ka muna. Now. Okay, I guess in YouTube, you guys are like, anong shirt yun, right? What shirt is that? Yeah. All right, so let's have a start. Let's check now. Then, okay. So, of course, as usual, in this live, we always start with Bitcoin, right? So, let's start. Let's see Bitcoin. Um, let's go over the daily. I know it looks a little bit messy, guys. Diba? It looks a little bit messy, but bear with me. this this drawings, okay, has been planted for a couple of days na. Hello, Mark in YouTube. Hello. Yeah. So again, just a recap. We have, do not forget this green line, huh? Do not forget this green line. This is a really strong trend line that is going on with Bitcoin. And, it has been supporting Bitcoin since last year, December. And by the way, guys, if you're wondering, oh, miss, what is that red line? Why do you have that red vertical line over there? So this right there is the mark. Okay, is the mark of the ending of the bear market. All right, so let me show all of this in here. That yeah. So we have this one, two, yeah. This whole structure, guys. This is a bear market movement, and then from here, officially from this point on, around December, second week of December, we got the start of a finally, some small uptrends. Kumbaga, yan. You see that small uptrends. So since then, we have been supporting by that green line. That is why we have that green line. That is a really strong, okay? Mind you, that's a really strong yearly yan. That's a yearly trend line. So if ever in the future, if we go down in there, it's not gonna easily, get broken. It will take some time. Um, but for sure, what you will get from there is a bounce. You will get a bounce in there. Yes. Oh, okay. So, mhm. I'm just checking some comments. All right. So let me take this out. This note. Itong blue line na to, this was an important line. Later, I'll explain. Anyway, so since we know the background of um higher time frame point of view of Bitcoin, now we know that it's moving in an uptrend. Yes, it is moving in an uptrend. From this structure. So of course, we're gonna be doing what? We're gonna ride. We are going to ride the trend. So with that said, let me. Okay, now this area. I mean, like these notes are done. So let's go over on the weekly and let's check. Let's have an overview. The last overview that we did, my Bitcoin was around July 17th. Correct? July 17th. So let's check now. Okay, so in terms of the strength on the weekly, it is still what? It is still what's the word for that? Bearish, yeah. It's still bearish. So let's go over here. Let's write that. I don't have to edit na. It's still the same weakness. Yeah, there's weakness still on the weakness side because it haven't got was it didn't happen yet. But the weakness is there. So pattern, we already broke out of the pattern, by the way, by the daily. So by the weekly muna, everything is weak. From weekly, yeah. By the way, the weekly is gonna close Monday next week. So 3 day already, happened. Second day done, already happened. We also have the daily, it's done na. So just give it time with Bitcoin talaga. Just give it time. But in order for us to see, so miss, if there's a weakness on the week, isn't it gonna like break the green trend line? Not exactly so, not yet. Because if we see the monthly, okay, monthly, we're still picking up of the MACD. The 2 weeks chart naman, can you see? Picking up siya. So just give it time. Okay, give it time. But the weekly, so this means that on the couple of days, coming couple of days, we are bearish and it's already happening. So 3 day, 2 day, 1 day, like that. Yeah. All right. So this yellow line that you guys are seeing from the daily to this is gonna be your strong, one of the strong support. Let me refine it. Let's have again. Just refining that. So this one is the daily na support, possible support in the future. Now let me lock that up. So if the green line breaks down, this is our next level, yan, next level. That Bitcoin is gonna get supported. So this green line right here, para siya ano, exact na point sa lower time frame na plotting yan, by the way. Yeah, so I just have that in there. So I know that if it touches at the green zone, it will have the significant, reaction. And I have my last possible wall for this zone in this of the green of the yellow naman or the gold zone. Sige. So by the way, guys, thank you for your likes at TikTok. I appreciate that. So right here, this is the important level that we have to watch talaga. When currently Bitcoin, I can say 70% now is gonna visit this area. I have been saying that we're gonna, do 28K on Bitcoin since it was, hovering sa 30K, 31K level. Yeah. So right here, we have the arrow. Can you guys see the arrow? It will be much more clear later on the lower time frame. But so far we have our plotting now. So let me add up. We have levels for support. First level or S1 support 1 is by the 28,200 level all the way till 27,100. Okay, 27,100. Now, support 2, if the green line breaks, okay, let me know that if green trend line breaks, and next support, guys, so guys, this is how I do my data. For those now who are asking, Miss, oh, what is your strategy? What is your strategy? This is my strategy. It's price action. I'm collecting data from all aspect of the chart. And then, we conclude what's going to happen. Yun lang. So, support 2, if green trend line breaks, we can expect first level 25,350, 350, all the way till the last level of 24,000. 250. 24,200. Okay. All right. So now that we have this new data that we can watch, every day. Yeah. So this level, guys, again, this is gonna be a strong support along with the trend line. So this example that you're seeing, why is it going to be a strong support, Miss? This is what we call it's my arrow. Ito. So, confluence yan, guys. That's the word for it, ha? Confluence. So, when we speak about confluence, dalawang Dalawang element that is saying the same thing. Yun lang. Keep it as simple as that. That's how confluence, um, getting created. Okay. So our confluence in here, first off, is the support zone or the horizontal zone that we're seeing. And then the second confluence is the trend line, the green trend line. So the spot that, where it intersects is gonna be a really strong this area. Trust me, it's gonna it's gonna have a bounce. Okay, it's gonna have a bounce. So okay, take note of this level, guys. Again, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see the full view, oh miss, oh, what is she like, There you go. Can you see? Now I'm writing all the notes, huh? The one that I was mentioning earlier. I am writing it down. Now, if you want to see the full screen of this, I have it in my YouTube detail. Okay, let's go over my YouTube. That's my YouTube. Just look for that, Mayari Capital, if you want to see the full screen. Okay. Oh, thank you guys for the likes. Yeah. So, okay. Now, since we saw that the daily, okay, the levels that those are really important to watch for the daily. And finally, you guys understand yung mga drawing ko dito. Let's go over the lower time frame. Lower time frame for our um so this red zone let me just like go back on it. Remember, July 17th was our last live, and during the past lives also, I have mentioned again that, Bitcoin will visit 28K. Very high chance yun. So, by June, by this time, guys, nag-ano na ako, what's the word for that? I started traveling, I got sick. Yeah, that's why there was no live for almost a week, diba? But yeah, July 24th, around this area, not yet, this is July 19th. But when you see this blue zone or this blue line pala, that's a really strong resistance. So even though I wasn't doing live, I'm still watching the market, small. Yeah, so a couple of, can you see, it's really having a hard time going up to the 30,300. So what's the significance of that? Right? If ever, currently, let me remove this, where we at right now with Bitcoin, so suddenly it will pick up volume. It will pick up. And that can happen. Nothing is impossible. That's the thing with crypto. Nothing is impossible. So if it picks up a volume, and guys, if we break this blue line, yan, if we trade above that, Bitcoin is gonna be bullish. Mind you, okay? Bitcoin is going to be bullish. That is why I'm not deleting the blue line. I'm not taking it out. And the last trade setup that we did, that is where the stop loss, that is where I have put the stop loss, kumbaga, for our short position. So Dexter Paurin in TikTok is asking, margin and leverage nyo po palagi. Hmm, it depends, but my average margin goes around 5x, 3x yan. Pag mga high quality na setup, I do risk higher. But my leverage always it depends siya. It depends sa risk percentage ko of my account. So let's say that my risk only allows me till this much. So that might be 7x, 8x. Yun lang. But if you're asking if I do like 20x, no, I do not. To be honest, the highest leverage that I play is 10x. And that is rare. Pag high quality setup lang. But yeah, average 5x. Okay. Okay, so yeah, going there. This red zone, this red zone. We broke that with a really strong candle. By the way, this is a 4 hour chart. So a really strong breakdown to the downside now. And from that downside, um, that is where we did our trade setup, right? That this level, uh, yeah, this is a strong resistance. Yeah, right here. Since this area is, what's the word for that? I cannot like say order block, but more of a highest traded volume area. Highest traded volume area. Forgot the proper word for that. But you guys can see that level, that zone, guys, maraming ganap. That's, I don't know how to say that. Like, it's the most traded level. You can see that by the wicks only. You can see that by the wicks. So with that said, that is why I have put my entry during our trade setup this time. I have put my entry right at that area. And from that, we what? We hit it. Yeah, we hit it. And this is it. This is our stop loss. So, ayun ma'am, ranging pa rin po ba Bitcoin? Madam, no. Bitcoin right now is not ranging. It's currently in the move na to the downside. Since this break of the July 24th, that is why we right away did a trade setup right here. So now we're playing. This is now. They're playing the to the downside. So I have noted 29,600 is the optimal entry. And at the same time, we caught that. That was, by the way, guys, a really nice sniper entry yan. And if you guys know me for ano na, quite some time, I do my trade sniper entry most of the sniper entry. So if you guys are wondering, oh miss, how do you do sniper entry? Paano mo nalalaman? How do you get to know that? Price action. I don't know. It's ano na, accumulated na experience, kumbaga. Like the moment I see movements like this, I get to process right away na. Like, what will happen? Where will it happen? That's why when I scalp, I cannot, I cannot share that as a trading or a signal. Because I process data with new data. How to put that in words. Baga. But anyway, so we got a really nice entry right here, and this one we top all the way. Let me see where. 29,671. And so 29,671, right around there. So yes, from here, um, let me remove this. This one is done. This one is from the lower time frame. And this trend line got broken. So I guess this was yesterday, right? That I have mentioned. If we break this line, nothing is stopping Bitcoin to go down. This is it. Ito. This yellow, this yellow zone, which is the 29,260. The moment we trade below that, Bitcoin is gonna go, like that. Okay? Then, okay, people are asking. I mean, hmm, so ion ranging. Okay, I have answered that. Dexter, powering kay BTC lang po kayo nagtitrade? No, not just BTC. But I always do BTC the starting of my life. Understand what's going on in the market. Ion, I mean, di na babalikan ng recent high. Are you referring to the 29,600? Not quite sure, to be honest. I'm not quite sure now because the moment something like happens like that, usually doesn't go back now on that level. If it does, then yeah, you can enter. But gumagana pa gumagana po ba harmonics sa scalp? Ben is asking from TikTok. I'm not quite sure. I have tried to learn harmonics, but it was not for me. So yeah, I cannot say on it if it works. MKR maganda trade. MKR has a good volatility. Yesterday I had an entry on the MKR. Very nice trade to be honest, guys. Around 46% was my profit. Took it out before I go to sleep. Okay, so again, thank you guys for the likes sa TikTok. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, now we saw that the 4 hour got broken. Ito, ano to, 1 hour na trend line yan. So we can expect nothing much now. It's more of trade management. So if you guys are wondering, Miss, how can I enter Bitcoin? Let's check on the lower time frame. Is there's any possibility that it's gonna, have a push up? Mm-hmm. 4 hour, okay, 2 hour, 1 hour. By the way, guys, do you like my shirt? The TikTok? What do you guys think? Yeah, you like it? Kakaano lang to, bagong gawa kumbaga. Yeah. Okay, madam, what about links? Sige, let's add link on our requested chart, okay? Let's start it. To be honest, I have not traded link in futures. I was just watching it sa spot na lang. There's a lot of coin kasi, much more better coin for me. So, 10, okay. Yakamuna, do you have any other color? What color you want, Yakamuna? Currently, I have this. If you want black, we can do black. Huh? So 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay. Ada, may potential tumaas pa, double check po ko. Sure, sure. So, black will do. I guess, we'll have black for you. Okay? But I guess, I will be sending you, yaka muna. Oh, yaka muna ha. I will be sending you once I'm back sa Philippines na lang. Okay? Because, I don't have it in here. Okay, so 1 hour. There is some chance for a pullback. But now we are in the 1 hour chart. Okay? So, yung bearish divergence, ano na siya, itong note natin dito, our bearish divergence, it's given na, kumbaga, because, it is from the higher time frame. But, since nangyari na siya, it already happened, let's take it out. Okay? Let's take it out. It already happened. The drop already happened. Okay? So, 1 hour, let's check. Some support, breakdown of the trend line. But this trend line, I would like to take it out now. Okay? That's the thing. That this is how I do. So, mga lower time frame, when new data comes in, I take them out. It's done. It already happened. But yung mga higher time frame, I keep them on. I hope you guys are picking up some stuff of how I do my trades. Hopefully you guys are learning. Okay, so can you see this area, guys? Yeah. Okay, green line. Let's have this one. Okay, let's have it blue. There you go. Okay, so supposedly, even without that trend line that we took out, supposedly, if Bitcoin was strong at this point, or this resistance, the 29,600 level, was not gonna hold, kumbaga. Like I said, Bitcoin should not have traded below this area, but we did. We did. Yeah. So with that said, we have a possible, if you guys want to do some entry anywhere around this zone, anywhere around this zone, starting from here. It's just that your risk is gonna be higher, but let's keep your risk till this area only. The last 29,800. Now that is up to you. Okay, you calculate your risk by the percentage. So, or you can have risk all the way till here. Sige? Itong yellow line na yan. Take note, okay? That yellow line. So, miss, so where's the exact entry? So, let me take this out. Let me put it on the higher time. Oh, yeah. There you go. Much clearer, right? So, guys, maximum entry. Okay, optimal entry for this trade, this new trade, this new trade. If you didn't manage to enter, eto. Can you see this area? This area right here. So, maximum trade for you to enter. Ang open up. Change the color. As you can see. You guys can see dito sa my right side of the screen, the highest entry 29,474. Okay, 29,474. Starting that you can start, entering is 29,266. So that's up to you guys. Okay, manage your trade. Okay, maximum optimal entry is around this area. There. Optimal entry. But can we start entering from this zone now, Miss? Yes, you can at this level. Right? Take profit. You can aim the same sa may, yung sa una kanina. You can aim to the low of right here. Alright, so now we have two trades set up. Now we have a trade set up for you guys for the Bitcoin. Alright, so nothing much. That's our bias with Bitcoin. It's gonna go down. So let's check our other coins that it's open for our. Yeah, but before that, let's see people from YouTube. Hello, guys. Charlie Malabago, ano bias mo sa Lina, ma'am? Pasagot. I have not seen the Lina chart, so I cannot say anything. Let's try to, I guess you already have like 3 requested chart na. Hi, okay. Hello, Mark. Present. Hello, welcome. Okay, so we have Heart Gear. Welcome. Buti na lang ngayon live. Bagyo. Oh, you're from Ilocos, Mark. I have seen the flood over there. Hope you guys are okay. Huh? So, good evening, all in Hedera. It's my first time seeing you here. Welcome. Wala atang audio. Is there no audio? Guys, in YouTube, is there no audio? Oh, there's audio. I feel, I guess you have to, double check. So, try to double check. Okay? Ayun, meron naman pala. Sige. So, Marion, hello, good evening. My first time seeing you here. Welcome. Oh, Seaweed, hello. So Clarence is asking, is there possibility to break 30,300 first without going to 27,800 zone? So this is the thing. The possibility of me saying that, that 30,300, it is there. It's always present. Market can move that way. But it's just that going to the 27,000 or the 28K level is much higher right now. You get the idea? The probability of us going there is much higher than going or breaking the 30,300. Hence why our, day trade ng mga ano is short bias. Yes? Mhm. Okay. So dot miss. Okay, we'll have the dot. I always watch that kasi I'm here also. Good evening. Seaweed. Alright, there's meron naman pala. By the way, again, for those who are in TikTok, we are live ha. Live yan guys sa my YouTube. Okay, we are live in YouTube if you want to see the full screen. So those people who are in YouTube are enjoying the full screen. Yes. So yeah, just go over. Um, there. So this is my YouTube. Okay, guys, that's my YouTube, Mayari Capital. Just type it in and then just join us. And yeah, for those who just came in to TikTok, you get the previous live. You can watch. Might pick up some, valuable trading lesson I have shared in here. Sige. Right? It's like maliwanag pa sa inyo, ma'am. Yes po, maliwanag po. I am not currently in Philippines, that's why. No? Still, you can see some, you can see some light. I guess it's around, ano na, ano oras na sa Philippines right? It's almost 8. It's 8. Mm-hmm. Again, thank you guys for liking TikToks alive. You. Okay, so let's see. Ethereum, let's proceed. 7:46 p.m. Yeah, almost quarter to 8 na dyan. You guys had your dinner. Hope you guys had your dinner, huh? I kind of miss Filipino. It was just a few days na nawala sa Philippines, no? Pero like, yeah, I miss Filipino. Okay, Ethereum. We have discussed this last time. Yaka muna, hala, kumain ka na po. No, not yet. I just had my coffee. Mamaya pa. Still a lot of. Okay. So, um, hope this is self-explanatory. The the pattern of Ethereum, but don't worry, I'll do a quick breakdown. Okay? Let me take. So, Ethereum, along with Bitcoin, has been consolidating for almost like a month. And actually, Ethereum broke down first. Nauna yan, breakdown. Then the Bitcoin. Bitcoin next day, then it broke down. This is why this movement to the downside that you guys can see is ano. This was the breakdown now along with Bitcoin. Pero this one, it broke down first. Yeah, so 30-day consolidation of this pattern, this pattern. So yeah. With that said, we were anticipating for entry also with Ethereum, guys. Remember? For a short position and ideally, but this is the thing, this area, can you see this zone? It's a really strong, it's a really strong consolidation area. That level is, madami siyang, madaming ganap. We still need to find proper word. Meaning like, it's highly tradable zone. Yun. Daming trade na naganap. Yeah. That's why when we visited 27 yesterday, we cannot go past through that. And what level is this? 18 1800 1884. Maximum or highest level is 1800. Let's take 87. So Ethereum is having a really hard time breaking that. Now, so plot this, guys. Okay, you can copy whatever I'm plotting sa chart ko. You can copy it on your. So currently Ethereum has this trend line, this green trend line going on. So ideally, okay, for Ethereum is to trade below this trend line. If ever that it breaks the trend line, don't worry. The trend line is not that mm, it's not reliable because trend lines are subjective. It's a problem with trend line. So what we can rely on are areas in the chart that we can see that has been traded heavily, heavily. So this level, we're looking for short position with Ethereum also, but our stop loss, okay, let's secure our stop loss right around here. Okay, so if you can risk more, all right, keep it at this level, this area there. Yeah. Dexter, I'm doing regular, not doing logarithmic. Him naman. Gabriel, hi Miss Mayari, I'm one of your premium member. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Dexter, for that comment. Appreciate it. Oh, wait, it's not- Still don't know your favorite coffee. Ah, right, I guess, guys. Oh, Gabriel, thank you for the rose. I just saw now. Thank you for the rose. Okay, so again with Ethereum, possible entry guys is around this level, ha? Optimal yan. Optimal is around this level. But miss, can we start laddering around this area? To be honest, I'm not gonna take it. Eto. This one can easily get broken. The trend line that you're seeing, right? Can easily get broken. So anticipate for this level. If it does not hit this area, it's fine. Okay. There's a lot of other opportunities in the market. But what we're taking is the optimal entry possible. So it's around this level. And the stop loss, miss, can we put stop loss around here? Okay, so book wise, right? This is I don't know, that's the stop loss of a typical or beginner trader. So that's why you guys will be seeing or experience this that, miss, nag-hit yung stop loss ko. It hit my stop loss like that. So it was gonna go up, but then take out pala. Did that ever happen to you, everyone? Yeah. That's why I'm not doing my stop loss around this area. That is what's the word for that? Like a stop loss, stop hunt na probable stop hunt area. Yes. Yeah, ka muna, Mayari, do you know the trend in TikTok Live? Well, what's the trend in TikTok Live? Enlightened Ethereum, we know the stop loss, the possible entry. So optimal take profit for Ethereum is if you're doing day trading, first of all, is this level. Okay, first level, eto. Where is my is it gone? Reload lang pala. Okay, so right here, first level for Ethereum. If no, you can take full profit by then, full profit, I'm telling you. Or if you want to ride it all the way down because can possibly hit at 1800 level. By the way, the 1800 level or 1800 is gonna be a strong support for Ethereum. It's gonna be a strong support. So yeah, you can ride it all the way down, but when that happens, okay, when it happened, like we hit this first, yung take profit talaga zone, move your stop loss at your entry. And do not forget to secure some profit, guys. I want to remind this with everyone again and again. This is my motto. Listen up. This is my motto when I was just like starting Bitcoin and understanding the concept of risk management. Is this. I'll write it down for everyone so you guys will be remembering this. Okay? You do not go broke. Kaya talaga naka-caps lock, no? Taking profit. You do not. Okay? So when you have a trade set up, you have your take profit level, do secure some profit. Okay? Do secure some profit. Not forget that. When you have time, try searching the AI live trend here in TikTok. Okay. After the live, I'll have that. I'll try that. Joseph Mateo, liquidity hunt ba miss? Something like that. Yeah, something like liquidity. But when I trade, I do not use the liquidity word, but it's more of psychological na reading of the chart. Like, you have to understand where does most traders, kumbaga, where do they put their stop loss? The obvious stop loss. Yun. That's how I always, analyze the market. So, you won't be slaughtered, kumbaga, with you won't be slaughtered. Okay, so yeah, guys, again, you do not go broke, okay? Taking profits. Remember that. When I say secure some profits, doesn't matter if it's just 20%, 30%. Secure profits, move your stop loss at. Crypto Tantan, pwede po ba ako sumali, ma'am, sa Discord or Telegram niyo po? Yes, absolutely. Okay? Um, you can. So, by the way, for those, in TikTok who just got in, we are doing a giveaway in YouTube once we hit our goal. So, if you are interested on possibly winning the giveaway, just, be a subscriber in YouTube. That's it. You have nothing else to do. At the same time, you get the full view of the screen when you're watching. You don't have to see my hands in TikTok. Okay, so let's see. Dot. Right. So this was sorry guys, magulo yung yung part with the dot. I have not cleaned it up since our last breakdown of this trade. But yeah, so who got in sa dot yung July 26 ba yun? 25th? 5 that we did. Who got in sa dot? This was a really short na trade, guys. Remember this? It was a good day trading setup. That is why, stop loss laga dyan, take profit and out. That was a really strong resistance. Ito, yung zone na to. Now, we're going back. Yeah? So, no, yaka muna. I didn't buy a mouse. Okay? Why do you guys want me to have a mouse? To be honest, I kind of like doing this. For me, this one is quicker. Oh, Seaweed, you did do that trade. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Hopefully you took some profit, ha? Ma'am, ano po ma-recommend yung indicator for beginners? Guys, if you're a beginner, I can recommend you is no. I know it sounds like, huh? To be honest, when I was starting out, when I was a beginner, also I was like, oh, what indicator will make me a millionaire? What indicator will tell me, oh, dito ako bibili, this is where I'll buy, this is where I'll sell? That's a really wrong mindset, I'm telling you. So what I can recommend you, Vivi, in TikTok, is learn price action muna. So the price action will be like, oh, what is that? Basics, okay? basics of trading. So if you're wondering about that, I have free lesson of that in YouTube, Vivi. Okay? So right here, free trading lesson yan. That's the basic. This is literally teaching you how to, possibly read the market, price action yan. And yeah, if you have any question with the lesson or anything about that, message me sa Instagram. Okay? There. That's my Instagram. You're welcome. Go cockroach. Uh, sa Discord, ikaw po ba yung nag-request for $500 to deposit sa link given, bro? No. So, well, let me translate that in English. There's a comment that asking if I was the one requesting for depositing $500 on a certain link. No, guys, no. Like I have mentioned again and again, yes, there are a lot of scammers out there. I do not message you first. No, I do not take money out of you or like ask money to do deposit in here or anything like that. No, I'm not related or yeah, related to any exchanges out there. So if you see a message like, oh, invest in here, or like this is a trading bot, whatever, I get a lot of message, miss, there's a scammer, miss, blah, 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 like this. Be mindful to whom you talk to, okay, online. Like I said, I do not message you guys first on whatever it is. So if you message me, firstly, asking me any trading related question, I do respond, right? So be careful, okay? I do not request anything, okay? Yeah, same profile they use. Again, they use my name, they use my profile. Those are scammers. Those are not me. I'm not related to any of them. I'm telling you. So, yeah, so dot, let's check. Currently, we have a really strong rejection now. To the downside, let's open the daily for the dot. Someone requested for the dot. Let me delete some couple of stuff because I don't want to take out um the other levels in here that are already, very important. Like this one was the monthly. Yung 5.5, let me open the monthly. Oh, no, it is not. Let me do the weekly. Lowest price possible. Okay. All right, now we know. So, the first level, the 5.8 level for dot, dito yan. Yes, dito. That is a really strong that is a really strong resistance. And currently, where we at right now, the thicker line that I have plotted, 5.5, ano siya? What's the word for that? Psychological number. That's why, we're having a hard time passing through that. Hmm. Yeah, so currently with the dot, we have this resistance, or it's not a resistance, but more of a zone, a supply zone where, dot was traded heavily. But since we are currently passing through that now, passing through that, we can take this out and focus on the current data that we have, which is where? This area, guys. This is the new hot spot. Is there any like let me check feature? I like that. Yan. Kumbaga, ito yung hot na spot for that. So every time we'll visit this area, expect rejection. That's the thing. So let me take this out. Also this one. And yeah, this one as well. Yeah, so this one also, I'm done with that. So now we have a clear chart for dot. Yeah. Mm, Yes, right here. So let's see this. Okay, that's funny. Can you see, guys? New perspective every time we see. This is why I, refresh my data, because then we will be able to see, oh, new data. Then you'll be able to process possible movement next to happen to your coin. So we got the breakdown and currently hovering by the green line. So guys, as simple as this is, any visit by the green line on the lower time frame, let me check the trends. Oof, it's not good. When I say that's not good, okay, there's a possible movement, a high movement to the downside, guys. So any retest around this area, find heavily traded spot. Yeah. So I guess it will be somewhat like a weak movement. Optimal entry is around this point. Stop loss. No, I'm not gonna do the stop loss above here since we broke the green trend line. Double check. Charlie Malabago, full-time trader ka ba, ma'am? Yes. Full-time trader. 4 hours. Just checking the strength. Hour. 12 day really caught my eye. 4 hour. 2 hour. 1 hour. Okay, that's gonna pick up for that spike. 65 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Oof, okay. So let's go back 1 hour. Right here. So do not expect or do not have that ano by the book type of, I mean, it works, but in the future markets, I can tell you 30% of it only. So, like you'll do something like this. Oh, trend line and miss. Right here, stop loss right there. Trust me, guys, you're gonna get, that is why your stop loss, gets got hit. Yeah. Does it ever happen to you? Anyone? No? That means all my setup is by the book. Andun yung support. There's a support. There's a resistance. I did everything by the book. The book told me to enter around the zone. That said, I'll also have my stop loss right here. But why still my trading plan got broken or invalidated? One of the reasons. Yeah. Market, especially futures market, leverage market of cryptocurrency, moves a lot. Volatility is high, and yeah, those stop loss gets it. So with this, we're gonna have our optimal sniper type of entry. Right around this area. Stop loss is above here by our control, market control. And yeah, so take profit. Take profit. This area would be the first take profit area. So not bad, 1.5 for a day trade. Maximum swing type of ano naman, swing type of take profit. You can write it all the way to 4.9, but 5, guys, ito 5. That is going to be a psychological number. So what I can recommend you, secure your profit above 5. Okay, again, above 5. So there will be a bounce. It will happen, there will be a bounce. So secure your profit. Okay, then we can, by the time that it bounces, then we can prepare for a new entry. If it did not bounce, that almost continue to the downside, it's fine. It happens. So I don't want you guys to have that mindset of like, oh, if I should have held more, I would have profited more. Not have that mindset anymore in trading. Okay. Uh, those kind of mindset literally, yeah, some of it, I incurred some big losses or lost some profit. That's the thing. Okay. So that's why I'm advising you to do secure some profit around this area. Can re-enter. Worry about that. If it goes more down, it's fine. The main thing is we got the original na trade natin, the profit trade. Okay, so have you done adjusting your stop loss if it's almost hitting it? Yes, I do. Teka muna. Especially if I'm scalping, as long as I have a strong um data supporting, what I am doing. Yes, I do. I do. I have. Again, guys, thank you for the likes. Okay, sa TikTok. Okay, thank you. Hmm. Okay, so let's check some other coin. BNB. So BNB is having a hard time hitting or going past our green zone that we have plotted last time. It didn't even touch my alert. You see the 245. And what have I said, guys? If BNB passes this alert, taas yan dyan, guys, BNB will go to 260. Remember me saying that if we go past that, BNB is gonna go 260. But this green zone is a really strong one. Can you see that? Pass to the downside from there. So for the person asking if BNB has a chance to go 255 yon, I remember, right? 255. It will once we break the 245. Else than that, none. Not yet. Not yet. It's gonna continue to move, to the downside with or along Bitcoin. Okay, the bias with Bitcoin, kumbaga. Okay, so link. I'm not traded. So let's see what's happening. Okay. They is huh. Alright, first per hour. Interesting. 1 hour. Okay. Day trading strength is not that much going to the upside. Okay, so let's go to the daily. Daily, we have our levels. Let's plot some level. One, two, three. I'll check it. Proper break right around. Okay. Hmm. So let's go on the lower time frame so you all can understand what's happening. So for our chart, we have been, um trading bullishly since, let's see, July. Yeah, first week of July. So with that, one, two, possibly 5.2. Hmm. Short, I mean Link is in a good position, guys, to short. That's the thing. It's in a good position to short, but we are late na sa entry. So I guess if you let me discuss why we are late. Entry should have been around here. Oh. Eto. Yan. We're late, guys, because we did not do this, diba? We did not do this last yesterday night. Yeah, the link, we did not do the link. Just missed the entry. Okay, so we'll see what we can do. 4 hour already happening. 1 hour. Hmm. Kanina umaga, it did another chance for us to enter. That's gone. Hmm, Interesting. Okay, let me confirm this muna ha, sa lower time frame. So we have like one, two. Let me double check the third wave if I'm counting it right. Is this thing s- by the way, guys, if you have any question, let me know, huh? Let me know. So just type it in the comments. Okay, I'll try my best to answer that. Let's see. Okay, need to check. It's a normal pullback. In a normal pullback, do not expect that for the third to hit around that area. So it's either the full wave cycle of this is already done. We want, yeah. Then what we just have is an extended 50 topside. A possible C going on. C. So by the strength, 30 minute, even the 1 hour, 4 hour, let's give it 4 hour, 10 minutes, 15 minute. Okay. So with link, guys, there's a possibility that We can visit this zone, okay, again. Maganda ba if full-time job ya, ma'am, the trading? If you're profitable with it, if you have passion for it. By the way, trading is not, it's not like, oh, I just want to do it for the money. Like, that's the first thing, first mindset why we went into trading. But if you really like trade, you can possibly, okay, possibly do a full-time job with it. Okay, but if you're not profitable yet, I do not recommend you to go or leave your job. Miss, quit na ako. Full-time trading ako. I do not recommend that. Okay? For the meantime, do your job and try trading out. If it's working with you, then go with it. Wait. Let me clear that. When I say when it's working with you, so you should be earning monthly. Your monthly salary, you are earning that from trading. So let's say your monthly salary is like 75,000 peso, and then you are earning the same amount now. You can earn profitable and consistently, let's say, um, minimum 6 months. So just watch that time only. I do not recommend you to exit your job yet. The moment you start earning minimum double of what your salary is. So if you're earning like 75,000 per month, now you're earning with trading alone like 140, 150,000 a month, and consistent yan, that's consistent, then yes, you I can tell you with confidence that yeah, you can do a full-time trading. You can. Benji, Mangoba, nagme-mentor po. Yes, I do mentoring. Okay? So, let's have here. I don't want to enter right here for chain link. Dito, this can get easily broken. This area. Easily. So, this zone, okay, let's do by the anywhere around this starting from here, this, you see that? If I'll extend that to the left, you'll understand that these levels, okay, this midline kumbaga. Can I stop? Here. And you see this midline? Yeah, that is heavily traded right around that area. So optimal entry that I want you to do for link. By the way, we are in a 10 minutes chart, so don't FOMO in like, oh, what if it's gonna, it's a 10-minute chart. Currently by the stand, a lot can happen, can pick up, especially the 2 minutes looking like this. 30 minutes is yeah, 30 minutes also looking like that. If it goes more down, it's not gonna be like so down. So have patience. Have patience and then wait for this optimal right here. Now, if you want to take a short position, talagang, kating-kati yung kamay mo, your hands are really itchy, keep your wrist low, okay? Enter around this area. I mean, I'm not, telling you to enter now, but if you enter now, stop loss, keep your stop loss by this previous ito. Mm, oh, what happened? What is that? I just got an alert. Okay, anyway, so can you see this point right here? This high this big candle. Okay? Stop loss, keep your stop loss right around that area. Okay? For link. If you are in the trade of link now. Because once that one gets broken or traded above that, nothing is gonna stop your link to visit this area. I'm telling you. So miss, what level is that? That is playing around 7 yen, 7.9 to 7 or almost 8. Okay. This is not gonna go past 8. So 7.955 to 8. Hmm. Thank you guys for thank you for the likes sa my TikTok. I appreciate that. So in for me in return, okay, for your support, I'm giving a giveaway in YouTube right here. So miss how to join the giveaway? Just be a subscriber. That's it. Why? You're also contributing to the goal. The moment we hit the 1,000, I'm going to do the giveaway. Okay? Who knows? You might be, one of the lucky winners. And thank you guys for the like and your gift sa TikTok. Ah. So, yeah, going back right here, this is the setup for your link. Okay, if you're trading link. Take profit. No, I do not recommend you to like do all the way down in here. There's a heavy zone in this area. So if you're just doing day trading, it's more than enough. 1.5 right around this area. Yes. But optimal right this area, guys. Okay. Stop loss. Hmm, around this zone. Similar take profit. First take profit is gonna be this level. Okay, especially if we do like this. No, we're not gonna take profit around this area. It's gonna be easily broken by then. Okay, once we do that. I mean, moving to the upside. This one is it's gonna be easily broken, and then yeah, first take profit around here, and you can visit all the way down to here. By the way, this zone, remember this zone? We plotted that on the higher time frame, along with this green trend line that a holding thing. By that time, yes, and hold link all the way down, right? Like, okay, so two possible trade setup or two possible trading plan for you guys. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Wait, let me see some comments. Check some comments. Hello, Zia. Oh, good evening. Sorry, I'm late. Why? It's fine. It's fine. Welcome. Um, all in Hedera, hoping to be picked. Okay, so yeah, we will be doing a random picking for our winner for the giveaway in YouTube, right? So I'm still thinking, the possible giveaway. But last time only, July, what was that? Uh, past 3 lives ago, I gave away, no, dalawang premium, two premium, one in TikTok, and then one in live. So one of our winner in here currently was Kenneth. Yeah, so currently Kenneth is enjoying the lessons in premium. By the way, guys, Miss, what is premium? What is that? So this is premium, guys. Okay, that is premium right here. So premium is a plan or a subscription wherein my complete lesson for beginner to advanced, it is there. So right here, this is what you get. How to avail premium Takayan. You can message me. Please message me in Instagram. Okay. I'll, I'll talk with you. But for those who are in YouTube, there is a link na directly link down below in the description. Can you check the description down below? Yeah, there is a link in there to avail premium directly. But for those who are in TikTok, so hindi mahirap sa inyo, just message me sa Mayari Capital Instagram. So this is what you'll get, guys. Okay, crypto intraday alerts if there are any possible setup, high quality setup in the market. And you also get this Discord community, okay, wherein we post some wait, let me open my just give me a moment, okay. So yeah, so this is our Discord right here. uh yeah, so TA discussion, and you see we discuss TA. So if you really want to learn how to trade, we have a community for that. Sige. So but um main thing is, again, learn how to trade, guys. You will get that lesson, recorded lesson yan, so you can learn it in your own time. Okay, there's no certain time. You can learn it in space. So Miss, how much is premium? Premium is just 30 bucks, okay? 30 bucks per month, and you get all of that. So I accept, okay? If you're asking for mode of payment here, right here, I accept crypto, Binance Pay ID, Gcash also, and PayMaya. If you are doing PayMaya, it's just the same number as a Gcash. All right, so let's see. Joshua Doro Liat, ano pong magandang flow left for 50 USD? Ano pong maganda? Joshua, we count our leverage and also our margin, everything by the ano by your risk amount. So that falls under the risk management lesson na. So that risk management lesson, full on yan ha. It is available sa premium Google Drive. It is in the, if you are in a premium now, just go over there. There's a risk management lesson in there. You also get the calculator. Okay? Calculator for calculating your risk. Okay? So, nasaan video natin reprice action sa YouTube? There's no exact video of like the price action. Price action has a lot of topic. But just watch the free trading lesson from part 1 to, I guess it's still part 3 now. Okay, for those who are on TikTok, so you guys can see ito. And so, a live, yan. So, ito, yung free trading lesson or the trading series, look for that. That, all of that, guys, is a price action. Subtopics yan. Okay? So, part 1, this is perfect for those who literally have no knowledge trading. Okay? Can take advantage of that free lesson. Hello, Carl. Good evening. It's my first time seeing you here. Carl Christian Gorospe. Welcome. Jan is here now. So, Jerk in TikTok is asking, na-check na po yung XRP kanina? Not yet. Okay? So, with that said, MKR, I'm still waiting for the MKR. This was my trade yesterday. Not yet entering it. Still waiting for, can you see this alert? And I'm waiting for that. I'll plan my entry. XRP. Okay, so when did we plot this one? This today? I forgot. Huh. Interesting. Again, so remember guys, this long, and then our first take profit was around this area, yung gray zone. Yeah, it got mitigated. So the next level that I have mentioned is the green line, and then the optimal was here. But then I have mentioned that do not expect XRP to like push like that because of the Bitcoin bias na, moving to the downside. So with that, um yeah, we're having a hard time. So that's why today, I guess this was me earlier doing my quick analysis with this, is I am preparing for a short position for XRP. So Miss, what's the possible entry? No, we have not, visited the entry yet. So possibly you guys can watch it over your own chart. But yeah, so this area right here, 0.719, right? 0.719. So all the way till right this zone. 0.725. Okay? 0.725 guys. For those who are on TikTok, again, if you want to see the full view of it, watch na lang sa may ano. Watch it sa my ano ko, YouTube. You can also, play it back. It's the beauty of YouTube Live. You guys can review. All right, so yeah, so this is the optimal entry for the XRP. If you're looking at that, take profit is around the zone. Stop loss is going to be right at this area. Okay, right around this area. And optimal entry again is around here. That's the optimal entry. But you can start laddering your entry na right here. All right. Anyways, guys, um, check. Hmm. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, I guess that's it for today. I am, I feel hungry na guys. So, just yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow evening, same time. For those who are on TikTok, I am live 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Every night. Okay, but tomorrow is Saturday, right? Saturday, so I guess not everyone has work. So perhaps we can do a morning live. Morning live, okay? Morning live. So just wait for that. So if you want to have a live update for that, just subscribe in YouTube right here, okay? And do alert your notification alert yun, di ba? So if I do my live tomorrow morning, Philippines, Philippine time, you will be able to catch that. Since, Saturday tomorrow, I guess you guys have free time naman. Not everyone has work, I guess. Yeah, but we will do in morning. But the evening live is gonna be fixed. So 7 p.m. yan. Okay? So I guess that's it for tonight, guys. Alright, so do not forget, okay, the giveaway in YouTube once we hit the 1,000 subscriber. That's our goal. Okay? It's not that big goal. Anyway, so yeah. Good night, for those who are in Philippines, yeah. I'll see